What's up, YouTube? Today we are looking at the illustrious GEC 78 in Cocobolo. Let's use this other 78 to open it. Ooh. So Cocobolo does eventually turn black. Not that it's a bad thing, it just a very dark color. It's looking good. We got some threads. This is bareheaded. So I've only been able to get these two guys. There are, in this, as far as 78s go, the variants, there's a bullet knife variant that's red boned. There's two rosy riveter variants. There's actually a number of them. I just haven't really been able to catch that many of the drops, is the thing. I know, tale as old as time, can't catch the drops. But I have gotten lucky. I've gotten these. So I can't complain too much, and I'm also thinning out my collection again still. So it doesn't make a lot of sense for me to turn into a completionist right now. In that, trying to slim it down. It's just that I did want to get a couple of these in hand. Whether or not they stay around forever, I don't know what will happen. I like that bar shield on it a lot. I like simple shields. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know that I like simple shields. And I don't really keep anything with a fancy shield. It just seems counterintuitive to put a complicated shield on a simple knife. So we have these two. Let's take a look at this closer. The action on this one is better, which is weird. I like the long pole. Maybe it'll break in. I'm sure it would. See if there's gaps. It's no gap summer. Or is it white boy summer still? I don't know. You know, what I don't understand is people really hating on the secondary blades. And it's just this, all right? If I head out for the day, granted, I'll probably have a fixed blade on me, a small one, as I am wont to do. But I just don't get the whole secondary hate, because say you're gone for a couple weeks, or you don't hit the honing rods for a while. This is gonna get not super dull, but you're gonna want something even less dull. You're gonna want a secondary blade. I think I think these blades are mirror polished. Of the two, which one do I like more? I really like this piece. I get it was like the entry level piece. It's not very neat. I like this piece as well, though. I think that is classy. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens to them. I don't plan on moving them anytime soon, honestly, but I am slimming down the collection, so it's possible that it happens. But I don't know. I don't know, guys. I will say it does become pinchable without the secondary blade, which is nice. Swedge is looking real nice too on that. Let's see what this guy looks like. Very, very nice. If I can, obviously, I will get a hold of the others as well. But I don't know if that's going to happen this time around. I just am not spending the time needed staring at drop pages to score everything. But that being said, maybe I'll get lucky. I've also pretty much completely stopped buying from the secondary unless it's like a good deal. I'm not really sure. Well, obviously I'm something on the collection, so. But also, I like GECs, but at a good retail price. The secondary prices are just a little too much for me. There's other blades. And that's what I feel like a lot of people feel like, honestly, is that it's like, oh, spend $300 some on this secondary market GEC, totally not have any warranty coverage. You know, not that I think that they would cover anything that, you know, was legit, but I'm just saying you don't get that on a secondary. So you're paying more, you're getting less. And there's other knives. Honestly, if I was actually just thinking, if not for GEC, what would I really be going after? Probably be Jack Wolf knives, honestly. I just have to figure out how to, you know, how to like rationalize in my mind that these are made in China. But yeah. In any event, that's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. I hope you folks have a good rest of your day. Bye now.